Losing 2 kilograms in just 1 week can be challenging and may not be healthy for everyone. Weight loss can lead to muscle loss and other health issues. It's important to focus on sustainable, gradual weight loss. Here's a general guideline for a balanced diet plan. Rapid weight loss can lead to muscle loss and other health issues. Remember that individual factors like metabolism, age, and activity level can affect weight. Gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle are often more effective and safer in the long run. Rapid weight loss should only be pursued under professional